and welcome to another video. So today I'm not doing an install video, but I am getting something installed on my car. So I finally decided to get my windows tinted in my Camaro. So New Jersey laws are just as weird about front license plates as they are about windows tinting. And what I mean by that basically is New Jersey law basically states that you're only allowed to tint your rear window, and if you have four-door car, the rear windows on the rear for the rear passengers. The front windows and the windshield is not allowed to be tinted. However, since I have a Camaro and it's only a two-door, I'm still going to go ahead and get my windows tinted anyway. It's a fix-it ticket. I do, however, plan on getting a light tint on the front. I'm not really sure exactly which one I want to put on, but so let's get to the shop. I'm on my way to the Elite windows tinting, and let's pick out a shade that I like, and let's get it installed. Alright guys, so I just got to Elite window tinting, and I'm gonna go inside and start picking out the tint. Alright, so let's check out some of the shades that we have here. Alright, so we have a 20 and a 30 and a 15. As I said, New Jersey, we're really not allowed to do the fronts, or, well, so the law states, but I've decided to actually go as a shade of 30 because the windows are pretty small, and John's recommendations basically based on the color of the interior and so on, and obviously it's going to double up on both windows, so it's going to look a little darker than what this thing actually is. So the guys are prepping everything right now, so let's go check out what they're doing now. So Rob, do you mind telling me first what are the initial steps of your before you start window tinting?
Just taking off all the debris off the car, contamination on the window, squeegeeing all the dirt off the car for the most part.
Cool.
Put a film on it so it's free of contaminants off the car.
Great.
Jason was doing the other steps while I do this. He cuts out the whole car.
Awesome. Alright, let's check out what Jason's doing.
Eliminates from touching the car, so you don't actually etch the windows. The computer cuts everything out.
Well, that's cool.
And you save your customers, etching the window.
Awesome. So just to quickly show you what this looks like from the inside of the car, the tint is 30, as I mentioned before. As you can see, you can see through very easily. It's not too dark inside, which is kind of what I was looking for, but it still looks really good from the outside. Again, the windows are very slanted, so that gives that darker look as well, and obviously doubling up on the sides, that makes it look a little darker. Plus the interior is dark, so that helps it as well. Alright guys, so the windows have been tinted. Car looks a lot better than before. Exactly the look I was going for. Again, thanks Rob and Jason from the Elite Tinting. And as always, if you guys like the video, please don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you next time. Take care.